Do you need an easier way to follow conversation in real time? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes Live Transcribe, a feature that converts spoken words into text as people talk. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, tap Hearing Enhancement. Then tap Live Transcribe. Now tap Open Live Transcribe. As you can see, your phone immediately start listening and display detected speech as text on the screen in real time. It converts spoken word into text in real time, making conversation easier to follow. As the words are spoken, they appear on your screen almost instantly. If needed, tap the language bar at the bottom to choose a different language. And that's how to use Live Transcribe on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.